Okay, good morning, guys. So today we are talking about waves a little bit more. And I want you to start with this do now. Just think about this question for a minute. You can pause. All right, so there's a couple things that we can know about this. So if the apple looks red to us, that means that the red light is being reflected back to our eyes. So we're thinking reflection here. Anytime we're seeing a color, we know that that object is reflecting that color back towards our eyes. So I have some flowers here. They are purple. What that means is that they're reflecting the purple light back towards my eyes. That means that they are not absorbing the purple light, but they're absorbing all the other colors of light. Okay, so the apple is red, it's reflecting red light, and it's absorbing other colors of light. And is an apple transmitting any light? No, not really. If you held up an apple to the light, none of it would come through. All right, so today is PS16 wave types. It's pretty short notes today. All right, there are two main wave types, and you should write this down. There's electromagnetic, which is basically just light, and then there's mechanical waves. Vocabulary. The first vocabulary word is medium, and medium is any matter that carries a wave or through which a wave travels. So you can think about air, water, solids, basically anything through which a wave can travel. So air is an interesting one. We know that like my hat is made of matter. We have to remember that the air is made of matter too. When we're in the Earth's atmosphere, there's a ton of molecules up in the air. There's a lot of oxygen, there's a lot of CO2, there's nitrogen. So there's a lot of molecules in the air, even though we can't see them. That means that it counts as a medium because it has matter. On the other hand, space isn't really a medium because it has pretty limited particles. Okay, so the two types of waves, we are talking about mechanical waves, which are waves that need a medium to travel through. Examples of mechanical waves are sound waves or water waves. So sound can travel through the air or through a desk or through the window, right? I just heard the wind from outside. So those are mechanical waves. All sound waves are mechanical waves, which means that they need a medium to travel through. They wouldn't be able to travel, for example, in outer space because that's not a medium. On the other hand, we have electromagnetic waves. These are waves that can travel through matter or medium, or they can travel through totally empty space where there is no medium. So the major difference, just to summarize, electromagnetic waves, they need a medium. Electromagnetic waves do not need a medium, and mechanical waves do need a medium. Electromagnetic waves can travel even if there is a medium. So let's think about light, because that's the main electromagnetic wave that we're talking about. Light can travel through like this window that I'm looking at right now, right? That's a medium, and it's able to travel anyways. It can also travel through outer space, and we know that because we can see the light from the sun. That's different than sound, which can't travel through outer space because it's a mechanical wave, and there's no medium out there. All right, so that's it for notes today. You're going to do your classwork after this. No exit ticket, obviously, that's not updated. And then tomorrow we will meet, tomorrow Wednesday, we will have our live class meeting. Okay, I'm looking forward to seeing you guys. Hope you are all doing well.